Hi students, I welcome you all for the session. So this is the continuation on chapter 3, that is video number 4. So it will be part 4. Okay. So in last class we discussed about uh, trigonometric functions and we solved some examples also on based on trigonometric functions, and we have been seen the sign conventions of trigonometric and quadrant angles. All those we have been discussed in the previous class, and today we'll be going to solve exercise number 3.2. And before that, we have been discussed about sign conventions, right? The sign convention of trigonometric functions. So we know that the sign of minus x is what? Minus sin x. Okay, and cos of minus x is cos x. Positive, it is positive. Cos of minus x is cos x. These sign conventions we have been discussed. And what about the tan of minus x? So tan of minus x is minus tan x. Why? Because we know that tan is what it is a, so it is a ratio of us here, sine of minus x to the cos of minus x. So here sine of minus x is negative, therefore this is term is negative. And these we discussed, and yesterday we have been solved one problems, that is fourth one, and that is the cos of a negative angle. So the negative angle is minus 1710. Okay, 1710 degree. If suppose this negative angle is given, so negative angle is given means we have been solved yesterday problems. So yesterday problems seven, so seven here, forget about negative. Okay, forget about negative. Okay, negative. So just it is 780, 1780. So 1710. Okay, this is 1710. So this angle is more than 360 degree, right? This is more than 360 degree. So means how much it is? So how much it is? This is 5 times. If we take 5 times of 360, so then it is 1800, right? Then it is 1800. Okay, and we can write this cos of minus 1710 as, to make this as a positive, we have in written minus 1710 plus 5 into 360 we can write. Okay, 5 into 360 we can write. So if 5 into 360 is what? 1800. So cos of minus 1710, it is 5 into 360 is 1800 degree. So now this remove this number from the this number, then will be got cos 90, right? Then will be got 90 degree remains. Then cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay, so this we have been solved, and uh, now uh, now we'll be solving this in a different manner. So because in quadrant manner. Okay, so suppose here in this formula we have in seen that the cos of minus x is what? Cos x. So we can write this cos of 1710 as a cos of 1710, right? So because cos of minus x is so cos x. Okay, and sine of minus x is sin x. So this cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. I can write like this. Okay, now we can apply this quadrant rule here. So quadrant rule in the form of so this I can write 5 into 360. So 5 into 360 is 1800. 1800 minus 90 degree I will do. Okay, minus 90. So minus 90 means what here? Okay, so this 5 into 360 minus 90. 1800 minus 90 is 1710, right? So this is 1800, and 1800 minus so 18, this is 1800. 1800 minus 90, you do this 1710 will be get. Okay, this is in the form of which form? Okay, this is in the form of cos of 360 minus theta, right? Okay, this is in the form of 360 minus theta, right? So here 360 is there. So the forget about this, ignore this 5. Then it is 360 minus theta. This is in the form of 360 minus theta. So 360 minus theta means what? It is in the fourth quadrant, right? It is less than the 360. It is less than the 360 means it is in fourth quadrant. So we know that the fourth quadrant, in the fourth quadrant, so cos is, so in fourth quadrant, cos is positive, right? So in fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive, means it is we are having a positive value, and we know that So during the conversion of 360 and 180, so cos is cos only. The function is function only. But in case of 90 and 270, it will convert. Sine will be converted into cos, cos will be converted into sine. Okay, but here 360 degrees there, then cos is cos remains only. Then it is cos. So here theta is what? 90 degrees. So cos 90. So cos 90 is 0. So by this also we can solve the problems. Okay, you just remember this. When negative angle is given, then you apply this formula. Okay, apply this formula, and it will come as positive numbers, and then you can apply the you can apply the quadrant rules. Okay, you will be understanding that one by solving this exercise. So this will be now we going to solve this exercise. So here find other five trigonometric functions in exercise 1 to 5. So means what, one value is given, and here other five trigonometric function we need to find. So here cos x in the first one. So here cos x is given. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is given, and they have been mentioned. The statement is that x is in the third quadrant. X is in the third quadrant. So means what, here cos x is given, then we need to find five other trigonometric functions. Means we need to find sin x, sin x we need to find, and tan x we need to find, cot x we need to find, cosecant x we need to find, secant x we need to find. All these remaining values we need to find. So here cos x is given. Reciprocal of cos x is what? Reciprocal of cos x is what? 1 by cos x is what? So reciprocal of cos x is secant x. So then for here, well, you take the reverse of this value, then it is minus 2. Okay, secant x is minus 2. Okay, this we got. Now we know the formulas, right? We know that formula. One sine square x is equal, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This formula we know. So here cos x is given, therefore I can write the sine square x is equal to, so 1 minus cos x square is given. So here, why I am writing here cos x square is 1 minus cos x square. Cos x value we know. Okay, cos x value is we know. So therefore here sin x square is equal to 1 minus of, so cos x is what? Cos x is minus 1 by 2. Here square is there, therefore I am writing square of this. So here 1 minus square, this negative will be, become a positive in the square. Then it is 1 by 4. Therefore 1 minus 4 minus 1 divided by 4. It is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. Okay, it is 3 by 4, and this is sine square x. Okay, we are writing sine square x. Now suppose if I am this sin x is equal to, okay, we have to find the value of sin x. Then a square term come this side, plus or minus square root of 3 by 4. So plus or minus root 3 we don't know. Root 3 I will keep here. Square root of 4 is what? So here square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so the square root is there. The square root you can apply it separately. Root 3 and root 4 will be there. Okay, root 3. So the square root of root 3 by 4 I can write square root of 3 and square root of 4 separately. Okay, then it is plus or minus, then it is plus or minus. Okay, then it is plus or minus. So then it is plus or minus square root of 3 we don't know. I will keep square root 3 only, but square root of 4 is 2. We know square root of 2 is 4 is 2. And now if now we have to whether here both will be there, plus or minus will be there. Now we have to recall the uh, x is in third quadrant. Here statement is given third quadrant. So we know that third quadrant is what? Third quadrant, this is first, second, and this is third and fourth. In third quadrant, tan x and cot x are positive and remaining are negative. So therefore here value is negative, negative root 3 by 2. Okay, sin x is negative root 3 by 2. Now we can, sin x we got, we can, what is reciprocal of sin x is what? Reciprocal of sin x is cosecant x. So cosecant x is 1 by sin x. Here root 3 by 2 is minus root 2 by root 3. Okay, it is reciprocal, ulta, reverse. So then minus 2 by 3. Okay, now we understood this cosecant x. Okay, how we found the value of sin x. Okay, sin x we got, and sin x and cosecant we got, and secant we got, and we need to find cot x and tan x. Okay, we need to find tan x. Okay, tan x is what? So tan x is sin x divided by cos x. It is the ratio of sin x to the cos x. Sin x is value is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Cos x is what? So cos x is what? Cos x is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. If we take this value upside, then it is root 3 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. It will be minus 2 by 1. So here 2 will be get cancelled, and here minus sign it will be become positive. Minus into minus is what? Positive. Then it is root 3. Then it is root 3. Now we can find this cot x easily as a ratio of 1 by tan x. So therefore it is root 3. So 1 by tan x is root 3. Then it is 1 by root 3. Okay, it is 1 by root 3. Okay, all value we have got. Okay, now so go now we see for the second one. Okay, now we can give see for the second one. So second one is given. Okay, so second one is given. Second one is sin x is equal to 3 by 5 is given, and x is in second quadrant. I just go fast because these are the similar problem. So five other trigonometric we need to find. Sin x we here we are having, then we can find cosecant x as a easily we can find the cosecant because it is a reciprocal of sin x, 1 by sin x, therefore it is 3 by 5 by 3, 5 by 3. Okay, so now we can find so we have to recall. Okay, we have to recall sin square x as same. Sin square x and cos square x is equal to 1. So cos x value we don't know, therefore I will writing cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So here 1 minus sin x is 3 by 5, then it is 3 by 5 of the whole square. So therefore it is what this cos square x is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25 comes. Okay, 25 minus 9 divided by 25, then it is 16 divided by 25. Then I will write cos x value is, it is plus or minus of root 16 divided by 25. We know that value of root 16 is 4, root 25 is 5, then it is plus or minus 45. And here second quadrant, so x is lies in second quadrant. So second quadrant means what? So second quadrant we know that second quadrant sine. So in second quadrant we know that the sine and cosec value are positive. Sine and cosec value are positive means what? Here cos x is, cos x is negative and remaining are negative. Sine and cos x only positive, and remaining are negative means here cos x is negative. It is 4 by 5. Now we got cos x value, then we have to take reciprocal of this is what? Cosecant x. Sorry, cosecant of x. It is secant of x. Secant of x we can write as 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos x is, it is 5 by 4. Okay, now we can find the tan x value easily. Tan x is what? The sin x divided by cos x. So sin x is given how much? Sin x is given sin x is given 3 by 5. Okay, sin x is given 3 by 5, and now cos x is what? Minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5. So then I will write 3 by 5, and it will take on upside, then it is 5 by minus 5 by 4, minus 5 by 4. If 5 will get cancelled, and it is minus 3 by 4. Tan x value is minus 3 by 4. And now we can write easily cot x value as a reciprocal of 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x, then it is minus 4 by 3. Understood? Okay, you try to solve other problems. So these all problems are very easy. Okay, these problems are very easy. You find these things. Okay, suppose if it is given, now we can see. Okay, this third one. Okay, third one is given. Here is cot x and tan x is given. So means what? Here third one. So cot x is given. Cot x is 3 by 4, and x is in third quadrant. X is in third quadrant. So here we need to call. So cot x we know, then we can reciprocal of a cot x is what? Tan x. Reciprocal of cot x is tan x. Then we can write here tan x value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay, 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. Now here, so here in cot x, secant x, tan x, we need to call the formula. We know the formula of 1 by tan square x is equal to what? Secant square x. Okay, and 1 by cot square x. So it is cosecant square x. Okay, these formula we need to recall. So I'm recalling 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. Formula here, 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square x. So here we know that tan x is 4 by 3. So it is 4 by 3 of a square because tan square is here. Then it is secant square x. Therefore, I'm writing here. So 1 plus 4 square is what? 69 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Okay, then it is okay. This is so okay. Then it is secant square x. So then I can write 9 plus 16 divided by 9, then it is 25 divided by 9 is equal to secant square x, and now we can write secant x is equal to plus or minus of root of 25 divided by 9. Now we can write plus or minus of 5 by 3 we can write. So likewise we have to find and remainings. Okay, so we need to in this case we need to uh, uh, follow the formula 1 by tan square x is equal to secant square, 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square. These okay, these formula are important to find the values. Now we will be going to see the uh, here exercise 6 to 10. Okay, we need to find the trigonometric functions. So here the 765 degrees given. So 765, we know that 765 is greater than 360 degree, right? It is greater than 360. So then how we can write here sine into, so 362 we can take, so what is the 360 into 2 is what? It is 720, right? It is 720. It is 720. Then we can okay 720 we can take here. I will write 2 into 360, 2 into 360 plus 720 is here, then plus 45, plus 45 means, so okay 2 into 360 is 720, 720 plus 45 is 765, right? So I can write like this. Okay, I can write this like this. So now this is in which form? This is in a sine of 360 plus theta. Okay, this is in the form of, okay, to here don't okay, ignore about 2, and we see that 360 plus theta, this is in the form of 360 plus theta. This means it is in first quadrant, right? It is more than 360, it is more than 360 degree. Plus is there, right? Plus means it is in first quadrant. First quadrant, we know first quadrant all signs are positive, then here it is positive. And we know that in case of 180 and 360, okay, 180 and 360, sine is sine only. Okay, sine is sine only. Here theta is what? So theta is 45. Here theta is 45. Okay, here theta is 45. Sine 45. So sine 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. Okay, this is a simple problem. Now we come to the second one. So that might be interesting. So here is seventh one. Okay, seventh one is cosecant of minus 1410 degree. Okay, cosecant of minus 1410 degree. Cosecant is what? So cosecant of suppose you write this is x, cosecant of minus 1410 we can write in the form of 1 by sine, right? 1 by sine is cosecant, 1 by sine of 1410 I can write, right? Okay, now this is in which form? It is in a sine of minus x. Sine of minus x is what? Minus sine x, you know. Okay, therefore we can write here minus, so therefore we can write as here, so cosecant of minus 1410, okay, 1410 I can write here minus of sine 1410 degree I can write. Okay, so this now, so just this, okay, you keep this value here, then we need to find sine 40. Okay, sine 1410 we need to find. Okay, sine 1410 we need to find. Okay, you call it as the equation number 1. So sine 1410 we need to find. Then how you are writing this in quadrant? This is, we know that this is greater than 360. So then the 360 into how many times you will take? 360 into 4 times, 400 4 6 24, and 4 14. Okay, then we can take here 4 into 360, 4 into 360 degree plus, then it is minus 30 degree. Okay, I will write minus 30. Okay, minus 30 you do. So minus 30 you do. It is 1440. 1440 minus 30 is at 1410. Okay. So now this is in which form? This is in 360 minus theta. This is in 360 minus theta. Here theta is 30. So then 360 minus theta means it is less than 360. Means it is in fourth quadrant. Right, it is in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, we know fourth quadrant is, so in the fourth quadrant, so cos x and reciprocal of cos x secant x both are positive, then it is a sine. So then sine is means here remaining are negative, cos x and secant x are positive and remaining are negative means here sine is given means it is negative. It is negative, so it is negative. Negative of sine theta, negative of sine theta. Okay, negative of sine theta minus negative of theta is what here 30 degree. So minus of sine 30. So minus of sine 30 is what? So sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Here value is, so here value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so minus 1 by 2. This is the value of what? 1410 degree. So sine 1410 degree is value is minus 1 by 2. This value you put in the equation 1. Okay, put this value in equation 1. So equation 1 is okay, equation 1. So equation is cosecant of minus 1410. 1410 is equal to 1 by of minus sine of 1410. Okay, then 1 by of, here minus we have to write, sine 40 is minus. Okay, again minus 1 by 2 values there. Okay, so minus, so minus value I'm writing here. Sine 40 value is again minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Then here minus minus is what? So minus minus is plus. Okay, positive. It is 1 divided by minus into minus is positive 1 by 2. So it is positive 1 by 2. Therefore here value is 2. Okay, if we take this on the top, then it is 2 by 1. Value of cosecant minus 14 theta value is 2. Okay, this one you understood, right? Now we'll be going to 6. We'll be going to see the, okay, now we'll be going to see the here. Okay, eighth one is given tan 19 pi by 3. When this like this problem is given, we have to write in a, okay, we have to write in a tan of this pi by 3 as a separate. Okay, pi by 3. So something value of pi by 3 here, something value of pi by 3. How 3 is a, okay, 3 6 I is what? 3 3 6 3 6 I is 18 pi. This is 18 pi plus 1 is 19 pi. Okay, 3 6 I is 18 plus 1 is 19 pi. I can write like this. Okay, so this I can write here, tan of 6 is what, right? 6 I can write 2 into so 3 into 2, right? 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 I can write, right? So 3 into 2. So here 2 has to come. Second is 2 has to come. Yes. 2 pi into plus. Okay, plus pi by 3. Okay, 6 I can write. 6 I can write. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is what? 6. So the second term is should be 2 because 2 pi is what? So 2 pi is what? 360 degree, right? So this is in the form, which form? So this is in the tan of 360 plus theta. Okay, this is in the form of 360 plus theta. Then it is greater than the 360. Then it is in, this is in first quadrant, right? Obviously this is in first quadrant. So first quadrant all signs sign value are positive. Okay, here we are having positive, all signs are positive. So the tan of 360, so tan will not, tan is tan only in case of 180 and 360 degree. Tan is tan only, so this is tan theta. So theta value is here pi by 3. So therefore it is tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 means what? So pi is 180 degree, 180 divided by 3 is 60, tan 60. So what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is what? So tan 60, so this is tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but sine 60 divided by cos 60. You can write, if you don't know value of tan 60, then sine 60, what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then I can write root 3 by 2, 2 by 1, and then 2 to get cancelled. Then tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Okay, So this is clear. Now we go for the ninth one. Here ninth one I'm going. So ninth one is given sine of minus 11 pi divided by 3. This we can write in the form of how? So pi by 3 I am writing it separately. So pi by 3 in a separate plus I will write here. So here 3 fours are 3. Okay, 3 fours are. So I will write here. So 3 fours are. So 3. Okay, 3 fours are is 12. 12 minus 1 is what? Okay, 3 fours are. Sorry. Okay, so this I can write as sine of pi by 3. This is pi by 3 is here. Pi by 3 I will write here separately. And now this 3 4 the minus I will write 3 4 the is 12 minus 12. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus pi is what? Minus 11. Okay, it is minus 11. So this I can write here. So here in the form of 2 pi. If I write 2 pi, then it is 2 into 2, right? It is 2 into 2, 2 pi. 2 pi means 360. We have to write in 2 pi here. So pi by 3, pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. This is in which form? This is in which form? Okay, this is in which form? So it is sorry. Okay, I will come this here. So problem ninth one. Okay, the problem ninth one is given here. So ninth one is it is in negative minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, we know that the sign of minus x is what? Minus sin x. Then we can write this. Okay, we can write in the form of minus of sine x is what? So 11 pi by 3. Okay, we can write like this, right? Sine of minus x is minus sine x. Okay, so x is what here? X is this value. Okay, this minus is outside. Now minus of sine. So 11 how we can write here? Pi by 3 I can write separately here. So pi by 3 right I can separately here. So now it is 3 forza is 12. Okay, 3 forza is 12. 3 forza 12 pi. 12 pi here minus I will write. 12 pi minus 1 pi is 11 pi. Okay, therefore minus sign of this 4 pi I can write in terms of 2 pi. Here suppose I will write 2 pi here, then it is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 pi minus 5 by 3. So this is in which form? This is in, so this is in, so this is in sine of 360 minus theta, right? This is in sine of minus 360 theta. It is in fourth quadrant. It is in fourth quadrant. Therefore here, so minus is here, minus is here, and minus, already minus is here, the minus I am writing. Now we have to recall fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant we know cos x. Okay, in fourth quadrant we know that the cos x and secant x are positive. Cos x and secant x are positive and remaining are negative. Means it is fourth quadrant, means here negative, another negative. We have to write negative. And during the conversion of sine is sine only, then it is sine theta. So sine theta minus into minus is positive. So positive sine theta is what? Pi by 3. It is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is what? So pi by 3 is 60 degrees. Sine 60 is what? Sine 60 is sine 60 root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, understood. So and cot minus in 10th problem. Okay, now come to the cot of minus 15. So here cot of minus 15 pi divided by 4 is given. Okay, so we know that tan of minus x is minus tan x. Therefore we can cot of minus is also minus cot x. Okay, so therefore this we can write cot of minus 15 is equal to minus cot of 15 pi by 4. I can write, right? I can write. So now, so this minus cot this pi by 4 I will write separate here, pi by 4. and this is 4 4 fours are 4 fours are 16. 16, this is minus. Okay, 60 you write minus here. 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 1 is 15 pi. Therefore this is, I can write in the form of 2 pi. Here 2 pi I will write. 2 pi means what? Here 2. So 2 2 2 pi into pi by 4. So means which is in the form of which? Okay, this is in the form of 360 minus theta. This is in the form of 360 minus theta. So 360 minus theta is, it is in fourth quadrant, right? Obviously this is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant we know cos and the secants are positive. Cos and secant are positive. Remaining are negative. Therefore it is negative. Here already minus is there. Okay, here already minus is there, and fourth quadrant is minus. So minus of minus, minus into minus, cot of, so here cot theta. So therefore minus into minus is positive. This is cot theta is what? Pi by 4. It is pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is what? Cot pi by 4 is, we can write 1 by tan pi by 4. So 1 by tan by pi by 4, and so tan pi by 4 is value is 1. Tan pi by 4 is value is 1. Therefore value is 1 here. Okay, value is 1 here. Okay, understood. So these you just practice. If you are having any doubt, please put comments. Put your comments in comment box. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon for the notifications. Please do share with your friends, and make the like the video. Like the video. Thank you.